Recollect the days back then, when your folks found a spot at the kitchen table, a heap of bills on one side, a checkbook on the other. Paper envelopes were opened and receipts were saved. Welcome to e-commerce know-how, and today we're going to see the applications that make it easy to maintain a budget. Number 8. Mint. Mint is rapid and dependable, offering definite and top-to-bottom perspectives on the U.S. Furthermore, Canadian individual accounting circumstances. It has a valuable, clean plan. You can join through the versatile application or the site. Mint examines your ways of managing money, pay, and other monetary exchanges through adaptable cautions. It recommends a month-to-month spending limit dependent on your set of experiences. It's anything but an application for bookkeeping programming or accommodating exchanges. It's more about spending and higher monetary status. Number 7. Personal Capital. Personal Capital is a far-reaching application that allows clients to do everything from track spending to audit their speculation portfolio in the same way as other applications on this rundown. Personal Capital allows you to connect your records in a single spot for simple administration and survey. You can utilize it to appraise your total assets, which will give you a smart thought of where you stand, permitting you to make an itemized objective for where you'd like your accounts to be later on. The application offers a counselor investigation that furnishes you with a customized monetary arrangement. Number 6. YNAB. YNAB dominates at giving direction to shrewd cash to executives and monetary obligation. The instructional exercises and training material are phenomenal and very accommodating. It considers humble families who need the fundamentals, and it's anything but an application for somebody looking for smart monetary data. Essentially, every dollar you're projected to acquire is relegated to a task. It's either spent or saved. It's all the more conventional way to deal with planning, and it's a proper methodology for individuals who are not kidding about dealing with their cash. Number 5. Honeydew. Honeydew is focused on couples who want more straightforwardness in their relationship, particularly about spending. The application is free, and it can work for couples at any phase of the relationship, insofar as they are prepared to start imparting monetary subtleties to one another. The application allows you to follow your records across various monetary foundations, including ledgers, credits, and speculations. Ideal notices and bill updates keep you on target of your installment timetables and assist you with staying away from charges. Number 4. Joy. Joy is a monetary training and investment funds application that spotlights the client's joy as it identifies with buys. After making a profile, the client is approached to interface their spending record to the application, a financial record or MasterCard. Clients are then invited to give an account of ongoing spending. It presents a constant flow of contemporary, simple-to-peruse monetary articles. Number 3. Capital. Capital permits you to set aside cash without any difficulty through gamification and the minor moves you make in ordinary day-to-day existence. It expects you to open another record, which is FDIC safeguarded. How do things function? On the off chance that you purchase espresso every morning, Capital gathers together the cost and places the adjustment of a bank account. On the off chance that you go underspending a plan for anything, you could place at equilibrium in something different, for example, a getaway asset. Before you know it, gradually you are setting aside cash in manners you won't ever envision. Number 2. Digit. Digit is intended for individuals who need to set aside cash without putting forth much contemplative attempt. Practically in Big Brother style, Digit assesses your ways of managing money and moves cash from your connected ledger into your Digit account. How can it function? Digit makes an exchange, for the most part, after deciphering your checking balance, forthcoming pay, impending bills, and late spending designs. Given these factors, Digit figures a trivial sum that you will not see dependent on your spending designs. Number 1. Good Budget app. There's a reserve funds technique where you partition all your money into isolated envelopes. There's an envelope for food, an envelope for your phone charger, an envelope for fuel costs, and so on. Consider Good Budget a progression of virtual envelopes. It permits you to determine how to go through and set aside your cash. Free enrollment gives an essential method to control and track accounts. The paid enrollment is more proper for more extensive financial plans. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which of these ideas do you like? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.